Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to go from P2E Inferno to COD points or CP in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's jump right in. To begin, I'm going to open up my wallet. So click on that. Next, once it's open, I'm scrolling down to the browser area and click on the website. So I already have it open here, but I'll just cancel and type it inferno.com. So this takes us to the home page and I'm going to click on enter app. But first, you definitely want to connect your wallet if you haven't connected, but all of that is already done. And since I've already made a video that shows how to earn on P2E Inferno, I'm just how to convert. So I'm going to the vendor. First, you can see my balance. I have about 1,962 up, and if you want to know how I got all that, you can check the previous video I made. But now I have the up, and I'm going to switch over to the Uniswap tab here, and I'm going to sell this up to USDC. So I'm going to click on this one, up to USDC, and hit max. So that's about 2.1 USDC, and I'll click swap. It's gonna ask for permission. I'll sign it, confirm. First, the way the blockchain works, you need to approve your tokens to be spent. So I think I'll need to retry this. I think it's already worked, so cancel. And let me check my balance. Nope, that didn't work. So let's do it again. Sign, confirm. Yeah, now it's finally worked. So that should work this time. Let's see. Good, it worked. Here's the balance. So now that I have my balance in USDC, what do I do? How does that get to COD, Call of Duty Mobile? Well, we're going to use another app. So now we have some dollars. Now we want to get it to buy CP points. So we're going to transfer that, and to do that, the P2E Inferno app has an in-app wallet, so we can get there by clicking the view wallet details. And so here we can transfer our assets out of the app. Actually, these tokens are already in your wallet, so you can still see it and transfer it directly from your wallet, but this is much more straightforward and easier. So now let's go to the other app that we're going to need. So the app is Onboard, and this allows us to have a virtual card, and that card is what we're going to use to buy the CP points. So I'm going to click on card here, and I already have $2.3 in it, but I want to go ahead and add some, so I'll click on add USDC, which is what we have from P2E Inferno, and we choose a network. The network is base, that's where the P2E Inferno app is deployed on, and the network is working with. So I select base, and it's going to show me my card address. So this is my virtual debit card address. So I'll click on copy, and already you can see our balance is 2.31. So I'll come over here to P2E Inferno, click on the recipient address and paste that in, and assets, I'll select USDC, and amount, I'm selecting 2.1, just so I don't completely zero out my balance. So now I'm going to send it, and first you need to click this ignore all here. So I ignore that, and then I can sign, confirm. All right, so it's transferred the asset. It's left my app here. So let's go to the Onboard wallet to find out if we've received it. Typically we should get a notification, but since we're already here, I'm just going to go back here and see what's happening here. So it might take a couple of minutes for that to reflect, but we'll see it in our balance here when it does. All right, so if you look down here, you'll see card funding 2.07 USD. So I think they took a little bit for fees, but it's fair. So we sent 2.1, we have 2.07 coming in, and it hasn't been confirmed yet. Oh, now it has. So you can see our balance has increased. So now, once we have the money in the card, now we're going to go to COD mobile. So I'm going to get over here to COD, and now I'll show you how you can use this. So I'm actually using iOS. On Android, I think it's easier to just go and add the virtual card to your Google Play Store, so you can just buy it directly from the COD. But for iOS, the card is not working to add in the App Store. I don't know why that's happening, but when I try to add the card, it's not working. So I had to figure out a different way to use it. So I don't know why these guys are not so annoying, but anyway, we'll sign in, and here we are. So if you guys can see, I have about 258 CP, so I'm going to click on the plus. So it's going to take you to the web interface, and that's where it's straightforward. You can do this whether you're on Android or iOS. So I already did this before, so it'll be easier for me to show it on the video. That's why you see this CP88 card payments here, this right here. But let me just go through it again. So you first need to choose a product. I'll change it. Obviously, I'm not buying this 82,000, but if you just go through scrolling, you'll see some of the things that they have. And for us, we want to go with this product, so we'll choose that one. And once you choose, you can just click on the payment method that you want to use. So they have different ones. They have bank transfer, blah 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 blah, but we want to select the card. And once you selected the payment method, then you want to enter the email address to receive your receipt, and that's all that you need to do. So once you've done all that, the next thing you want to do is click the buy now, and it'll show you the payment details or the order details. So it shows you what you're buying, 88 CP, and your details, your player ID, blah 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 blah. Once you've confirmed all that, you can now click the checkout, and then you can now enter the card details. So what you do now is you head over to Onboard again, and you want to copy your card details. So you go to the card, you go to details, and you're going to copy the card information like that, paste it there. So once you've verified all the information from the onboard card and you've entered it correctly, you just simply click pay now. It's going to process it, and as long as you have the required amount of funds there, it will succeed and tell you payment successful, CP has been sent to your account. Go back to Call of Duty Mobile, so you can click this. It doesn't actually take me, so it just does this and shows you the other. So to go back to game, for me, I just click this button here. So now I have more, and straight from what I earned from P2E Inferno. So head back over to my wallet, Rabbi, which I use to browse the P2E Inferno app. So I'm going to click there and connect it again. But that's how you do it, guys, and it's pretty simple, right? To just get your CP points up and buy whatever you need in game. So if you want to figure out how you can earn from P2E Inferno, then you definitely want to watch the video that I created, which I go through different quests, completing it and earning, and showing you how to convert the earnings that you have into the up token, which you saw, which was used to get the USDC and all of that stuff. everything has already been done. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. If you like this video and it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next